Scott's Wild Camper, the wild camping channel for the great outdoors. There you go, George. You'd like this one. Hammock by the beach.
Where did Mark go?
What?
Where did Mark go?
He's a way to get. He's a way to get wood and. Right, folks, we're digging a hole here for Stuart. We're going to bury him alive.
He's a bigger hole.
Yeah. No, we're going to. What is it we're doing here, Robin? Or
Hangy. A hangy or a ground oven.
right, ground oven.
Aye, that's what it is. It's like a New Zealand fucking
Hangy.
grun.
Hangy.
Grun oven.
Right.
Just be back and see all our pictures and stuff.
So if you were like sailing a canoe, it's up. I was trying it. It's crazy, man. Aye. I deserve a whiskey for that. I don't have power there, don't I? This is gone, mate. See once the fire's up, you just sit him across.
Look at Larfield, he said he's just back to the Bahamas.
Aye, you just see once to get the fire going.
Can't be annoyed. That's a class we can expect.
This guy must have been cooking. But the owls, aye, next 2 minutes to go mate's fault. That's not mate's fault. What are you saying here?
Gets lost off in and get rocks in.
There are rocks and that, they'll go bigger up, are they?
Alright.
So,
The soil itself is going to be hot, remember?
aye.
So the rocks are going to drop, the soil's kicking around the whole lot, because this is all stones. Well, I thought we would do it down here instead.
Aye, mate, aye.
Beasties on your back, man. Fucking hundreds of them.
Yeah, love it.
I would offer, but
I don't mind it.
you're all right, yeah.
I'm not canny you. Aye, I don't mind that.
Don't need to take a shortcut down the road. Use the whole flame, damn it.
You're itching to hear shots,
Use the whole flame. Kicks him right.
Aye,
After the gun.
Aye, get it up.
Into it!
Look it!
You alright?
That was tough, Donald, eh?
What's that, mate?
That was tough there.
No, it's further than I thought it was.
Yeah, mate, that's what I say. See the way the current's going, mate. You're fighting against. I bet your left shoulder's worse. On the ball, you. Don't take my foot in this for a darkness, mate.
Right, here we are. We're foraging for. What are we foraging for? Leaves.
Aye,
Certainly.
flavouring, a bit of flavouring
right,
for the
Origin.
Too late. A bit of flavouring for the pork.
Right.
A bit of sorrel or something like that, wild sorrel or
Right.
wild garlic or...
Yeah, a bird shit.
Wrong on this one, it's poisonous. I've got a poor sense of smell. How many smell mint before?
No, there's no mint at all, no.
No, alright. False mint. This is wood sorrel. and this is Tormentil.
Right.
It's right beside it.
Which wee yellow things?
That's the flower from Tormentil.
Is that anything?
That's you can't eat the Tormentil. It's good. It's high in tannins, so it's good for throat infections and stomach upsets and things like that. I can't remember if you've got the runs or if you're constipated. You have Tormentil and it sorts it out.
Right.
But this one here.
That's a good fucking thing in it. Don't know what one it is, but it'll fucking do you either way.
Normally, I would say give that a try, but because it's growing in amongst the bluebells, they're poisonous. I don't know if there's any cross-contamination onto that.
Right.
So, but that tastes of like sort of apple or...
Hangman's itself, and that looks like clover.
Similar, the leaves are inverted. The clover, you'll probably find the stalk comes out of this end.
Clover are more folded there, aren't they?
Aye.
Yeah.
Concave.
They're across each other.
Oh, right, aye.
You normally get 3 bits to it or whatever, but
Right.
you generally find the round the other way. These are like elephants.
Oh, aye. Sorry, alright, you're right.
Right, but
Good. Just taking the flowers.
just take flower heads.
Right.
The leaves are dying, so we don't want to start eating anything that's dying. And be careful of anything else that's round about it. There's one here with foxglove. That's highly deadly.
That wee purple thing.
Purple things,
Foxglove.
bluebells, foxgloves.
Bluebells.
Is there a plant just here?
Aye, just that wee purple thing, yeah.
This one here.
Alright,
That's foxglove.
Right.
If it's not foxglove, it's primrose. They're very
It's
similar.
deadly nightshade here as well, aren't we?
No,
here, but in this one.
You'll get it in this country, oh yeah.
Oh, but hemlock.
Fruit.
Hemlock, we get
Yeah, you'll
hemlock.
get in this country as well. That's the danger of foraging though. You've not just got to know the plant you're looking
Yeah.
for. You've got to
What
know the
about
ones around it.
shrooms? What about fungi? Do you do fungi, Robin?
Some. I'm not as confident with fungi. See, we're not going to go back with bunches of flowers.
No, Sandra will be like, oh, you shouldn't have.
There you there, Molly. You alright?
No, mate. Having a wee bit of trouble, but I'm alright.